The ingredients are very simple. As you can see, mussels, the best clams, the local olive oil, the best one from Lucca, parsley, tomato, garlic, then just a little piece of chili pepper, spaghetti, the best quality that you can have it, and then salt just for the water, to boil the spaghetti in the water, nothing else. Now I'm switching off the fire for this pot, as you can see, and I'm putting inside all the clams and the mussels with their shells. Why? Because it's very simple. I have just to cover this with this, and they have to boil so that the shells, they're going to be open. When they're open, just 2 minutes, and they're cooked. The other work will be to clean the mussels inside from its shell. As you can see, I've cleaned everything, just leaving half of a shell in few of the mussels and clams, so that you can fill the rocks. That's why spaghetti to the rocks are called. And now it's easy, because I've just to put olive oil, not like this, a little bit more, of course. Then the tomatoes and the garlic that is being chopped completely. Depends if you want just one piece or more, depends if you like garlic. Then a little bit of parsley. As you can see, it's not the fire on for the moment. And then it's easy. I switch on the fire and I let it cook for 3-5 minutes. That's it for the moment. In the meantime, I'm just putting the water to boil the spaghetti. As you can see, with a little bit of salt, I cover and has to boil. And then now I'm going to prepare the sauce. As you can see, the water is boiling, so it's ready to put the pasta, spaghetti. And on the packs of spaghetti, there is the timing to cook them. In this case, it's 9 minutes. But I want to give you a secret for this pasta. You have to take the spaghetti 2 minutes before out of the pot. It means instead 9, 7. Because the last 2 minutes, they must be completely put in the sauce, and it will be a creamy pasta in this case. So I'm gonna show you. I had also the little chili pepper. And now the pasta is ready, and just 2 minutes before the what says the pack about the real timing, I'm putting the pasta on the sauce directly, and I had also a spoon of the same water. So, even 2. So that it will be the element that will give the creamy consistency to the pasta. Okay. the spaghetti are ready. As you can see, a good bottle of organic prosecco, and just buon appetito da Lucca.